How to save post as draft on Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can save post as draft on Twitter. So if this is your question, ensure you watch till the end, right? The first step is to log in into your Twitter account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, move to the bottom right corner and click on the post icon. And then on this page, next step is for you to type out whatever you would like to post, all right? The post that you have in mind. Also, this is just an example. Then once you're typing and then no longer you don't have the full information of the post that you'd like to make, move to the top left corner, click on the X icon to cancel the post. And then you'll see the option save post. You can save this to send later from your draft. So click on save, and then just like that, the post would be saved to your draft. And to locate this, just move to the top left corner of the screen, click on your profile icon, and you'll be taken to a page where you'll see some options. So amongst the options displayed here, click on your profile and you'll be taken to your profiles page. On this page, move to the top right corner, click on the three dots by the top left corner of the screen, and then you see the option drafts. So click on that and you'll see your draft here. So this is how to save posts to drafts on Twitter. Thank you for watching and have a good day.